To obtain a loan from Credit Karma, follow a step-by-step process. Start by reviewing your budget to determine how much you can borrow. Then assess your credit scores, history, and reports, as lenders often use these to evaluate loan requests. Next, complete a pre-qualification, which allows Credit Karma to evaluate your information and provide a suitable loan offer. Browse the different loan types on the Credit Karma website, and once you've selected the desired loan type, log into your account. You will be redirected to a page with various loan offers from lenders. Choose the one you'd like to apply for, and you will be taken to the lender's website. From there, proceed with the loan application and submit it for review. After waiting for the lender to evaluate your application, you will have completed the process of getting a loan from Credit Karma, which is relatively straightforward.